Hello, everybody. I hope that you are doing well and staying healthy. I just wanted to make this really quick video explaining how you should be navigating through Canvas for our course. I unpublished the Canvas shell for Math 125 because all of your materials will be inside of the shell for 25. So start by clicking on the course for Math 25, and it should take you to a page that looks like this. I'm in student view, so hopefully this is what yours looks like. Our homepage is recent activities, so usually if there's messages going back and forth or announcements, they might pop up here. But what I recommend is every week, click on announcements. In here, you will find an announcement from me explaining what you should do that week. So I already posted one for week 1, letting you know that the Canvas shell was live and you could start early if you'd like. And then I also made an update where I added in some quizzes, so I just made an announcement letting you know about the update. So every week, click on announcements, read what you're supposed to do. Then go to modules. In the modules, you'll see the name of the week that we're on. So this one starts on Monday 3/23 and it goes through Friday 3/27. If you open that module, you'll see a list of everything you're expected to complete. At the top, I just put in your note packet in case you forgot to print it. So you could click on that and download it and print it out. But if you already have your packet, you can skip that and just jump into your video lectures. For example, our video lecture for 3.2, it picks up where we left off in class on Friday. It's just a YouTube video that I made, so you can watch it right here. It's embedded.
All right, hello everybody.
Or you could go to YouTube and watch it. You could make it full screen, whatever you want to do. When you finish the video, at the bottom of the screen, you see this button that says Next. Click that, and it'll take you to a video quiz for the video you just watched. You're allowed to use the notes that you just wrote from that video. The video is me filling out the note packet with you, so you can follow along and fill out your packet. So use your packet while you do this quiz. You get 2 tries. It's a multiple choice quiz, and it's just one question. And it'll be a pretty basic question based off what the video was about. Okay, so you would do that for all 3 videos. You have the whole week to watch the videos. I recommend doing them by Friday because, as you can see, your 3 video quizzes are due on Friday. So you want to make sure you've watched the videos before the quizzes are due. The other thing you'll find in your module are tabs with the days of the week. So I'm not requiring you to do your work during our normal class time, but I am requiring you to do some sort of assignment or assessment on each day that we would have had class. So when you log on to Canvas on Monday, go check this Monday tab to see what you're supposed to get done that day. So this says on Monday you need to log on to Connect Math and complete the order of operations / algebraic expression assignment. This will count as your attendance for class on Monday 3/23. And I even put a link to Connect Math. And on Monday, this assignment will appear for you, this order of operations / algebraic expressions, and you can complete that assignment. This one is open past the due date, and I'll explain why. If you go back to Canvas and you look at Wednesday, on Wednesday it says to log on to Connect Math and complete the PEMDAS / algebraic expressions quiz. And in order to take the quiz, you have to have completed the worksheet from Monday. So for this first time, I extended that worksheet to be due on Wednesday in case you forgot to do it. That way you can still complete it and then take your quiz. Again, there will be a link to Connect Math. On Connect Math, on Wednesday, that quiz is going to open for you guys and you can complete it, and it's due by midnight. For those quizzes, I ask you to treat them like they're a quiz in class. I cannot see you to see what resources you're using, but I'm kind of using the honor system at first here. Please just try to use no calculator, no books, no notes, and just try your best to see how well you retain the information. The quiz is timed. You'll have 25 minutes for this quiz. You cannot pause it or come back to it, so you need to finish it in one sitting. And I also said that if you are a student who gets extended time, you should notice that the time length for your quiz is longer than 25 minutes. Completing this quiz on Wednesday will count as your attendance. And you can also see that we have a Friday tab saying that we're going to have a Chapter 3 quiz on Friday. Again, it tells you to log on to Connect Math and complete that quiz, and it gives you some instructions. Now, this is a 25 quiz, so you may use a calculator, but again, I ask you to please refrain from using your books or notes or outside resources. This quiz also is timed, and if you get extended time, you should see that reflected on your quiz. This will be your attendance for 327. So every week when you go into modules, I would just quickly scan all of the tabs to make sure you look at Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and you don't forget to turn in what's due that day, because from this week moving forward, I will have things actually due on the day we meet in class. So if you forget to do it on Monday, you're going to miss it. I also have this tab on the bottom that says chapter 10.1 through 10.3 videos will be here. On Friday, we're planning on starting chapter 10, but I haven't finished those videos yet. But once I do, I will add them to this page in our module. Once you've finished all of that, you're done for the week. So you can just come back the following Monday, again, go to announcements, and there should be a tab for week 2, and so on for as long as we are away from each other and using Canvas for our learning environment. Hopefully that helps. If you need any additional help on navigating Canvas, please shoot me an email, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. All right, guys, stay safe. Bye.